Ed Lockwood, and I had a bilateral knee replacement about three and a half years ago. And then about a little over a year ago, I had my right hip replaced, and then I had my left hip replaced about maybe 5 or 6 months ago.
My name is Julia Isaacs. In June 25th of 2012, I had my knee replacement done by Dr. Crovetti.
My name is DANGELI. I had a total knee replacement done on April 8th, 2013. I remember the date very well. I had been in a lot of pain for, a really long time, probably like 2 or 3 years.
My full name is SHIRLEY GUINN-BLAIR. I'm 73 years old, and I have had a complete knee surgery done by Dr. Michael Crovetti.
My name is Ron Foose. I'm a professional musician, and I've been lucky enough to have Dr. Crovetti do both of my knees. Both of them were done last year.
Yeah, my name is DARREN HEINER. I had my left hip replaced, total hip replacement, in September of 2011.
I had a complete knee replacement, and I was the 13th patient here at the facility, and I've had way many visits at the hospitals, unfortunately, in my past. Best visit, safest, healthiest I've ever had.
And I saw Dr. Crovetti in November of last year, and he actually recommended right then and there that I needed to get a knee replacement, but I was obviously a little hesitant because it's a big surgery. I'm a young guy, and I'd been told for a long time it's very young to get a surgery like that. So we made an agreement between each other to try some other things first. He managed my expectations completely. So in January this year, we had another conversation after my knee really acted up, and he said that the knee replacement was the way to go.
I fought for 6 years about a knee replacement. I had cortisone shots. I had my knee scoped 3 times. And after going through my knee replacement with Dr. Crovetti, I absolutely loved it. I had no problems.
I decided to come and see Dr. Crovetti. He was recommended to me by a neighbor, and I liked him right away. He just had a wonderful, I guess you would call it, bedside manner. He's just really caring. He took the time to talk to me, explain everything to me.
I've been kind of an active guy. Most of my life I've done sports. I've been kind of an athlete. I've never really been a pro prospect, but as a kid, played a lot of baseball, football through college. I've been very active, and I'm a little heavier and stuff, so I put a lot of strain on my legs and everything. I met a guy who knew of Dr. Crovetti, and so I came to see Dr. Crovetti, and immediately I liked the guy. He is just one fine fellow.
I went to a couple different doctors, and then I found Dr. Crovetti. Love him. Almost instantly I knew he was going to be the doctor that needed to do this surgery.
I had a dear friend that recommended Dr. Crovetti, and she just wanted me to go meet him. So finally I said, okay, I'll go meet him. I came in, met Dr. Crovetti, made my appointment right then, and within 2 weeks I had a new knee. So needless to say, I was really, really impressed with Dr. Crovetti.
The convenience of having the surgery and the recovery suites all in the same building, along with the office to go to your visits, and where I fortunately was able to go to the therapy here in the building. And from an hour after I woke up from surgery, they had me in the harness, and I was walking down their hallway that looks like a football field, which was humorous for me due to how I injured my knee originally.
Approximately 3 hours after my surgery, I was using this machine right here, walking down this hallway a couple times that evening. The following day, again, back on this machine, and then progressed to a walker.
He kept telling me, you're going to walk the same day you get your knee replacement done. And for me, that was insane for me to think about that, because I had gotten cartilage done, and I didn't walk for like a week or 2, and yet I got a complete knee replacement, and literally the day I got done, we walked, and it was an amazing experience.
The machines that they've got to get your legs moving and all the after therapy, all right here under one roof, and I really think that's the future. I really do.
The way Dr. Crovetti's mannerisms, coming in and out so often to visit and check on you and examine my knee, was tremendous. You don't get that much at a hospital compared to a facility like this, at least in my opinion and experience. And I also really enjoyed that the one-on-one patient-nurse was wonderful. You buzzed and you barely were letting go of the button and they were in your room.
These people were great, you know, got here, they prepped you, they just treated you so nicely and everything, and there was just no fear or anything.
When Dr. Crovetti saw me 3 weeks after the surgery, he said, "Oh my gosh, you're doing so good. I don't have to see you for another year." And it's been wonderful. I've been able to do everything that I used to do when I was much younger, so that's great for me.
When I got into the recovery suites, everyone was very, very, like, they were just, not only were they nice and professional, they were just cool people. And there were people that we didn't always just talk about, like, what was going on with my knee. It's like they're very easy to relate to. And I remember there's some people that were like, these could be like friends, you know, outside of the surgery center.
The first thing my wife noticed is she says, "Geez, you're about a ½ inch taller and you're standing up straight and your legs are straight." And, you know, when you get bad knees, you don't know, I didn't notice it, but she told me they were kind of getting bowed. And, you know, when you get in your knees, everything straightens back out. You know, it's like getting a realignment for your car. And all of a sudden, everything's just back in order. You're standing at your posture's better. You feel better.
It's been a blessing for me, and the only thing I can say is I'm not sure why I waited so long to have it done. But if I could tell anybody that's having that kind of pain, have the procedure. Your life will get back to normal. And you'll feel great within a couple months, and you'll be happy that you had it done.
I would highly, highly recommend anyone that has a problem, knees, hips, whatever, to go see Dr. Michael Crovetti.